I present to you the bad sneeze. Sharkey was always stuffed up. She would drag her giant elephant body through the jungle, but her trunk was always so full. She always was blowing her nose, and she would sneeze a lot. But she wouldn't just do achoo. She wouldn't do a tiny sneeze like that. No, Sharkey had the loudest sneeze in Rainbow Jungle. She would go she would wake up all the animals. All the animals would get scared awake, especially if she did it in the middle of the night. But there was one animal in particular, Pineapple the koala. Pineapple Koala did not like this at all because Pineapple Koala spent most of his life sleeping and napping, and he needed that sleep so desperately because it was so much effort to spend his 1 hour a day eating. It was so much effort. He needed all that sleep, and Sharkey the Elephant kept waking him up, and he'd had enough. And so he talked to the other animals in the jungle, and they all got together and they told Sharkey, she said, Sharkey, if you can't control your sneezes, you're going to have to leave the jungle.
Where?
I don't know. Sharkey didn't know. The animals didn't know. All they knew is they didn't want to listen to her uncontrollable sneezes anymore. This made Sharkey very sad, but she worked really hard. The next time she was about to sneeze, she tucked and twirled her trunk right into her elbow, and she and that didn't work at all, because that sound also woke up all the animals. And so she thought, maybe there's got to be something else. Those leaves, maybe if I tie the leaves around the end of my trunk, when I sneeze, it'll block the sound. And so she tried. She put together the leaves, and she worked very, very hard to put them together. She tied them around her trunk to block her nose. And she felt it coming on. She said, I hope this works. And the leaves just tore up, and the boogers stuck to them. The leaves flew all over the jungle, and they were hitting the animals in the head with these booger-covered leaves. Everybody was grossed out and very upset. And so finally, Dr. Jaguar came by. Dr. Jaguar says, I think I have a solution. I think you need a sneezing pill. Take this pill. And he pulled out this giant pill. And he put it down. And he says, you'll need a lot of water to drink this pill. And so Sharkey picked up the giant pill in her trunk, boom, 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 made it way down to the river, and she popped the pill in her mouth, and she sucked up the river water to take the pill. And she swallowed the pill. Well, that didn't work either, thought Sharkey. I'm so thirsty, I'm gonna have a little more water. And she went down and she started to suck a little more of the river water up. And that is when Breeze the tiger popped out of the water. Breeze was having his morning bath in the river, but it scared Sharkey so much. And Sharkey realized, Breeze, you scared me. Wait a minute. Oh, I can breathe really well through my trunk. You scared me. And I can, well, that's strange. That's very strange. Breeze, can we try something again? Could you go back under the water? And Breeze was like, sure, why? Well, I think maybe if you scare me, my sneeze might stop. And so she felt another, I feel no coming on. It's probably a good time for you to get under the... And so Breeze went under the water. And Breeze popped up. And Sharky went... It worked! I didn't sneeze. Oh, this is wonderful. This is super well. Okay, there's a plan. Breeze, will you please keep your eye out for me? And anytime you see that I'm about to sneeze, can you please scare me? And Breeze was like, that sounds like a lot of fun. No problem. And so days went by, and Sharky would go through the jungle, and she'd get the sniffles, and all of a sudden, she would, and Breeze would go, out from behind a tree. Breeze would pop out of the river. Breeze would sneak up behind her and tap her on the shoulder and go, roar! And her sneeze would stop every time. And from there on out, Breeze and Sharky were the best of pals as they worked together to let Sharky stay in Rainbow Jungle. The end. Yay! You guys like that story? That was your story. That was yours. You guys did that. I'm so proud of you guys.